Hi, my name is Courtney on behalf of ExpertVillage, and in this series of clips I'm going to show you how to organize your various scrapbook supplies. Punches are another thing that scrapbookers accumulate a lot of and need to store. One way that's probably a good way to store it is a drawer tray. And the reason is you can lay all of your punches side by side so that you can easily see which ones you have and which ones you're looking for to use. Also, in a tray like this, all different sizes of punches fit easily, and then you can just slide this into a drawer. Another option you have is a tray like this one, where earlier we were putting our die cuts in here, but they have the perfect size slots for our small punches. So again, you can put all of your punches in here so that you can see which ones you have. And also, if you don't have enough punches to fill this whole container, you can store your leftover punches they make above them.